mag-learn pa rin tayo. Oo, nga dati akala ko, magkakaroon tayo ng struggle. Pero hindi, naging maayos din naman ang video.
We don't always try to agree, but we always try to understand. That's rare.
Dati, sanay ako lagi na kailangan kong ipupin sarili ko. Pero ngayon, parang lahat ng ginagawa ko, sapat na. Kasi I feel respected.
Same, dati I used to hide part of who I am. Pero dito, I can be loud, proud, and still professional.
I appreciate when nobody love when it has about good references. I mean, baka sa inyo walit na bagay lang, pero para sa akin malaki.
And we all try to adjust for each other. And notice that, even when I don't speak much, you still listen.
Totoo, minsan ang dami nating differences, pero ang galing daw, we still move forward as well.
Because we take the time to learn. Hindi lang basta tolerance, kundi effort talaga.
At hindi lang basta word, lahat tayo may kwento, may pinanggalingan, lahat yun mahalaga.
Kaya nga, gusto ko balik natin next. Kung meron man, to reflect this, nagtutulong po tayo ng ating future.
Parang idea na yan na.
Malay natin, nalilili na tayo ng universe, di ba?
Mukhang sinunod nga ng universe at dasal nyo kasi we've been selected for a special global project and the theme is diversity, not just show but live.
Saktong-sakto nga yun, ma'am. Eliza? No, you're not. Maybe it's time to stop pretending that everything's fine.
I messed up. I made decision. I thought I were efficient. I thought I was just a leader. But it turns out, I just be control. I cut your part and others. I thought I was protecting the project. But I ended up erasing your stories.
Ano mo yung part ko? Paano na pwede hindi ako importante?
You are important. Lahat kayo. I know I failed you. I'm sorry, Eliza. I should have listened.
It isn't loud, but it's still slow. Culture isn't always fireworks or followers. Sometimes it's quite stillness. It's patience. It's the way I treat people. It's the silence between words.
Let me do it better. If you were in charge, what would you do?
By letting everyone ask me, not then. I make space for small voices. Kasi minsan, yun yung may pinakamalalim na.
That's it. Will you still be part of this after you leave it?
If it's real this time, yes. But this time, I want my voice to stay in.
It will. From now on, every story stays.
Okay team, we have a big opportunity for today. Our global clients want to see how we embrace diversity beyond the surface.
Ma'am, kami na po ang bahala. We'll make something amazing.
This our chance to show who we really are. Lahat tayo.
Oo nga, let's go all in. Hindi lang culture, pati ang values.
Okay, we start with strong Filipino identity, like jeepneys, fiesta colors, and folk music.
Yes, but maybe we should also include parts of advanced culture.
And also, including natin yung Diwali visuals, halal food, then calligraphy from Fatima. Pwede natin i-weave in lahat ng
We can create an interactive timeline. Culture across time.
Simple UI, but deep content, less clutter, and more meaning.
Baka maging magulo, mas present siguro kung Filipino lang muna.
Pero we're not just one culture. We're a team of many stories.
Tayo, gusto nyo?
Ako din.
Kabisa.
Teka, GMB ba to?
Yes, any problem?
Alam mo ba, in our page, hindi kami pwedeng kumain ng beef, kaya bawal sa akin to. Thank you.
Very good yan, JM. Halal option sana talaga para makakain din ako.
Oo, tama. We want to join the banding pero minsan parang excluded kami sa mga food.
Next time, Patla, lahat may dala, lahat makakakain.
Okay, sige. Sorry, guys.
This presentation lacks authenticity. Where's diversity?
It feels one-sided. There's no integration.
I don't feel the heart. Where are your voices?
JM, you remove my card.
Akala ko masyadong marami. Baka magulo.
Pero hindi ko kami tinanong.
You choose what to keep and what to cut.
It's not just your story, it's ours.
JM, how was your presentation?
I thought I was helping, pero I made it worse.
Leadership isn't control, JM. It's listening, letting others rise.
I want to make it right.
Then start by listening. Build inclusion, shared ownership.
Guys, I was wrong. Let's build this from scratch. This time, with voices of everyone.
We're with you, basta this time, no erasure style.
My culture isn't just an extra, it's part of the good team.
Let's design each slice to reflect one of us.
Storytelling through culture. Let's make it emotional.
I'll rebuild the tech. Clean, fast, inclusive.
This is who we are, let's show the world.
Welcome to Huli ng Tagumpay, a journey through identity, respect, and unity.
Inclusion means hearing every voice, especially the quiet ones.
From Diwali to Ramadan, tradition builds bridges.
Design is emotion. Every color here tells a story.
Connection starts with empathy. Culture is our goal.
We didn't just work together, we understood each other.
This tech is not just digital, it's cultural.
The presentation matters, especially in places we don't notice.
This is what we call to see. This is exactly what we call to see.
Unity with that, not for just show, real heart, real work.
You made us feel something. Proud.
It taught me that clean talk is good, but clean communication is better.
Science is stronger when built together.
And representation is not required. It's alright.
Some kind of legend, but culture isn't just allowed, it's celebrated.
Thank you for hearing me this time.
No, thank you. You all made me a better leader.
Tonight, you didn't just succeed in a project, you built a culture. Congratulations, everyone.